Pouring yourself a glass of fresh, cold-pressed apple juice every morning feels like the ultimate healthy habit. But neurologically, it is a massive mistake. To your body, it is entirely identical to drinking a can of liquid soda. You aren't just gaining weight, you are actively attacking your brain's security system. Your brain has a built-in security wall. Scientists call it the blood-brain barrier. It acts as a biological bouncer, keeping dangerous toxins away from your sensitive brain cells. But sugar is allowed inside because your brain requires it for fuel. In nature, the sugar inside a fruit is trapped inside a thick web of dietary fiber. When you eat a whole apple, that fiber acts as a slow-release capsule, safely dripping energy into your blood over several hours. But when you juice a fruit, you violently strip away the protective fiber cage. You turn a healthy food into a liquid sugar bomb. It hits your empty stomach like a tsunami and instantly floods your bloodstream. This triggers a massive two-front biological war inside your body. First, the fructose in the juice. Unlike normal energy, almost every cell in your body rejects fructose. It is a rogue molecule. It bypasses your brain entirely and is funneled directly into a single organ, your liver. When a massive liquid wave of fructose hits without fiber, the liver panics. It hits a biological emergency switch and rapidly converts the liquid sugar into visceral fat, also called hidden fat. But this is not normal fat. Visceral fat is highly toxic. It wraps around your organs and acts like an active parasite, pumping inflammatory chemicals into your bloodstream. It is strongly linked to insulin resistance, inflammation, and chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Second, the massive wave of glucose violently crashes into your brain's security wall all at once. The system panics. To protect themselves from the massive overload, your brain cells shut down their insulin receptors. They stop absorbing energy and literally begin to starve. Medical researchers now classify this exact brain damage as type 3 diabetes. You feel this cellular starvation every single day as brain fog, chronic exhaustion, and terrible memory. It also forcibly hacks your dopamine receptors, creating an addictive high so you crave more sugar. To stop this damage, you must re-engineer the vehicle. Never drink sweet liquids on an empty stomach. If you blend your fruit, you must rebuild the missing fiber cage. Adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, flaxseed, or dietary fats like avocado artificially reconstructs the biological brake system, slowing the absorption back down to a safe drip. Welcome to Eat Science.